Optimaxx high-performance wood screws. Unique features given genuine application benefits. The Optimaxx performance screw has an extremely sharp point with the thread starting at the very tip. This ensures an immediate start. The angled slot is precisely cut across the point to remove the wood fibres upon insertion. This greatly reduces the risk of splitting the material when working close to the edge. On insertion, the aggressive sawtooth formation cuts into the material, removing the need for a pilot hole. The sharp, wide, deep thread is coated with a unique lubricant which reduces resistance, enabling a faster insertion. On all screws above 100mm, Optimaxx features an additional cutting thread which enlarges the hole, allowing the shank to follow without obstruction. The weakest part of any screw is just under the head. All Optimaxx screws feature a reinforced collar which gives additional support to prevent snapping. The consistently formed deep posi recess provides a tight fit which reduces come-out. A clean, flush, splinter-free finish is achieved in all materials without the need to counterbore. This is due to the 24 grooves cut into the underside of the head, a performance feature which sets new standards for self-countersinking wood screws.